Welcome to 9 years of TaUB, playing the infinite game where innovation meets resilience. Our journey is a tribute to the strength of persistence. From humble beginnings in India, we have transformed into a global force. We have grown from training 6,000 plus professionals to over 10,000 worldwide. We are not just playing, we are mastering the infinite game. From a local presence to global reach, we have conducted consulting, coaching, and gamification sessions in over 15 countries now, reaching a truly global audience. Our team has grown and our principal consultants lead for excellence.
9 years of excellence and innovation. We look forward to many more successful years with TaUB Solutions. Many congratulations.
TaUB Solutions teaches with real-life examples. I congratulate them on their 9th year anniversary.
Congratulations, TaUB Solutions. Suresh and the team. It's a great anniversary celebration for you guys, and we are very happy to be associated with you.
From a team of two visionaries, we have become a team of professionals working with passion and commitment to excellence. We promise to keep playing, redefining, and leading the infinite game.